Welcome to All Class Driving Academy. In this video, we will learn how to install tire chains. First of all, you want to make sure that you have the proper equipment. First, we need tire chains. Then we will need a locking tool. And then we'll need a spider bungee. Next, you want to make sure that you lay the chain on the ground. So we will grab the box and put the chain on the ground. So lay the chain on the ground so that we can properly inspect. Be patient, it will take some time for you to spread the chain on the ground. Next, you want to quickly go over the chain, make sure that it's in good working order. The chain looks good. Now we are ready to install it. So grab the other end of the chain and put it on top of the other end. This will make it easier to install the chain. Now grab the chain and slowly put it over the tire. And spread it across the tire. The other end, put it underneath the tire. Grab the other end and roll it over towards the inner tire. Make sure it's evenly spread out on the tire. You want to make sure that this is facing outward, not inward. Otherwise, it will cut through the tire and damage the tire. So always make sure it's outward. Quickly inspect the chain that is properly on both the tires. Next, we will move the truck forward. So we will move the truck forward and this is what will happen. Now we'll spread the chain accordingly. So first you want to grab the first hook, try to hook it wherever you can. So for now I can only hook it up to the second chain, second link. Grab the middle one, put it onto the hook. This will be a little bit challenging because it's inside. So grab it, pull it and put it into the second link. The third one, same thing. Grab it and put it into the second link. Now we'll move the truck forward again so that the chain is on the top and easier to work with. Slowly move the truck forward. So you just want to stop right about there. Then we'll grab the chain and try to hook it up. For now, I'm gonna hook it in the fifth link because I know this chain, so every chain is gonna be different. So right now, the fifth link, it goes into proper. Same thing, you want to make sure that you want to pull on it and go into the fifth link on this chain. Good, in the fifth link, and the same with the third one. You want to pull it and make sure it goes into the same link. If you can only go to the third link, that's good enough. But for now, the fifth link works good on this chain. Now we will grab that tool. Make sure the links are not biting into the tire because otherwise it'll damage. So we'll grab the tool and lock all the cam locks just like this. So you're gonna go around all of them, make sure put it into locking mechanism. 1, 2, the third one, now you can also feel that the chain is getting tighter. Now we will grab the spider bungee and put some more tension on the chains so the chains do not come off of the tire. You can also use regular bungees, but this special spider bungee is made for the tire chains, and this is easier to install and keeps the chain very tight. And make sure the hooks are outside, not inside, otherwise it will damage the tire. So install all of them into the links. Now you can see that the chains are nice and tight. Here's a quick look at all the links. Make sure it's nice and tight, secure, it's not loose. You can also see that the chain is nice and tight on the tires. So this chain will cover both the tires. Here's the test. We want to move forward and see that the chain is tight. Do not drive over 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, over that limit. So to remove the chain, first we'll remove the spider bungee. After removing it, we'll inspect for any damage that might have happened. Then grab the cam lock tool and unlock all the cam locks. Then remove all the links one by one. Remove the chain from the tires and put it on the ground.